How to Really Make the Transition to Monolingual Dictionaries, written by Khatzumoto, posted in July of 2008. I know I've written on this topic before, forget what I said. That explanation sucked. It was far too complicated. Just do this. This is all you need to do to smoothly make the transition to monolingual dictionaries. Are you ready? Okay, here it comes. Look up definitions of words you already know. You heard me. Look up words you already know. In Japanese, that would be super duper uber simple kantan remedial words. I refer to koko, here, taberu, eat, nomu, drink, otoko, man, onna, woman, iku, to go, kuru, to come, ookii, big, chisai, small, omae, you, no, of, mama, wa, topic marker, kamoshika, goat antelope. What, you don't know this one? Da, is, yo, emphasis marker. Huh? Nani? What? Korosu, kill, zo, emphasis marker, kono, this, yaro, rascal. I think you get the message. So, all you cats worrying about going monolingual, start with words you already know. No chance of misunderstanding there, right? Right. Good. End transmission.